afternoon and welcome from Bangkok International. I hear a lot of people talk about negotiating prices for taxis, and you really don't need to in Bangkok now. Everything's all automated, so if you come down to the first floor, you'll just see these machines. They're all the way along on the first floor. I always get a bigger taxi because the smaller taxis seem to have a LPG tank in the back, and basically you get your name of your driver, you get your car number, so go to slot 27 and your car just turns up. There's no negotiation, it's all meter priced, so that you're not going to get ripped off. And also, if you are getting a taxi in Bangkok, everything is done on the meter. So if you're getting a taxi and they want to try and give you a separate price, just walk away and just go somewhere else. Because if you are negotiating a price for a street taxi like this, and they're not putting it on the meter, you are having your pants pulled down. Everything is metered and non-negotiable. So to get into the centre of town now, so if you're going to Upper Sukhumvit or Egamai Tonglo, it's only about 220 baht. So I've always used these, never have any problem. And like I say, you've got the name of the guy, car registration, so if there's any problems, if you left anything in the car, you can get back in touch with the company and you know where your taxi guy is. So this is level 1 in Swampy International Airport, and there's about 7, I think, taxi stands that are all the same as this.